Hi guys, welcome to my channel. A charging cable is an electrical cable and assembly of one or more electrical conductors. Flexible power cables are used for portable device, mobile tools and machinery. Everybody knows about superhero. They play an important role in every DC comic, film and TV series. There are many characters of superheroes such as Captain America, Spider-Man, Superman, Batman, Hulk, Iron Man, Black Panther, Thanos, Thor, etc. In this video, I am going to show you superheroes character as charging cable version. If you like my content, please do like, comment and subscribe my channel. What do you want in next video? Please comment in the comment section. Let's enjoy the full video.